Okay, good day everyone, no? So today we are going to discuss about factoring na, no? So start tayo sa tinatawag na common monomial factor. Common monomial factor, no? If you see factoring, no, it is a procedure of finding the factors of the numbers or an expression, no? Kumbaga, nire-reduce natin siya, no, in a simplest form, no, para mas madali natin makita or in a factored form. Okay? Steps, find the GCF of the numbers or expressions. So if you still remember about GCF, no, i-apply natin dito. Okay? Yung GCF sa common monomial factor. Pag sinabi yung GCF, greatest common factor. Divide each term by the GCF to get the other factor. Okay? So after mo makuha yung GCF no ng kada terms in an expression, i-divide mo siya doon sa original. Okay, to get the other factor. Example, find the factors of 2x cubed plus 3x raised to 5. Okay, so 2x cubed plus 3x raised to 5. Okay, for 2x cubed, no, ito yung unang gagawin natin. Kukunin muna natin yung mga factors ng 2x cubed. No? Kapag may number, kukunin natin yung prime factors nila. So since 2 is a prime, no, we have 2 times, since yung x natin may exponent na 3, ibig sabihin, tatlong x yan na i-multiply natin. We have 1, 2, 3. So 2 times x times x times x. The next, for 3x raised to 5, no? Again, kukunin natin yung mga prime factors, no? At saka yung factor mismo ng mga variable. For 3, since 3 is a prime number, no? 3 lang. Then, x raised to 5, okay, may 5 na exponent sa x, ibig sabihin 5x naman yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, i-bring down natin yung mga common. Ano yung common? For GCF na, no? Ano yung common? We have x, another x, another x. So, tatlong x ang common sa kanila. Therefore, the GCF here is x cubed. Now, since nakuha na natin yung GCF, no, which is the common monomial factor, no, divide natin yung GCF to each term to get the other factor. Para makuha natin yung isa pang factor, no, i-divide natin yung x cubed dito sa 2x cubed plus x raised to 5. Okay? So now 2x cubed divide by x cubed, no? Following the laws of exponent dito, no? And then plus 3x raised to 5 divide by x cubed, no? Now, here cancel out natin yung x cubed. We have 2 here, no? Copy natin yung 3 and then x raised to 5 divided by x cubed, that is equal to x squared. Okay? Dividing, no, of monomials or in a loss of exponent, that is the quotient of power. No, iso-subtract natin yung 5 at saka yung 3. 5 minus 3, that is 2. Copy yung x. So ito yung magiging another factor niya. Okay? Therefore, 2x cubed plus 3x raised to 5 is equals to x cubed times 2 plus 3x squared. So ito yung magiging factored form niya. Okay, yung common monomial factor is x cubed. Factored form is this one. Okay, next. Okay, we have 6a raised to 4b cubed plus 9a cubed b squared. Okay, isa-isahin din natin to get the GCF. For 6, we have 2 times 3. Ito yung mga prime factors ng 6. Mas applicable yung prime factors, no? Kasi para wala tayong malalaktawan na mga factors ng number. Then, a raised to 4. For yung exponent, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. No? 4 na a. B cube naman, 3 yung exponent. Ibig sabihin, tatlong b yan. Okay? For 9a cube b squared naman, no? Factors of 9, we have 3 times 3. Or prime factors of 9 is 3 times 3. A cube, 3 yung exponent. We have 1, 2, 3. So, tatlong a. Sa b squared, we have 1, 2. So, dalawa lang kasi b squared lang siya. And then, GCF, no? Bring down natin yung common. We have here 3. We have here A. Another A. Another A. So, tatlong A lang kasi yung A cube, tatlo lang A niya dito. Then, for B, no? Ito. Yan. 1, 2. Yan. So, yan ang magiging mga common factors nila. Then, multiply natin 3 times A times A times A times B times B, that is equal to 3A cubed B squared. Therefore, the common monomial factor is 3A cubed B squared. Then, divide again the GCF to each term to get the other factor. Now, 6A raised to 4B cubed, no, divide by 3A cubed B squared, okay, plus 9A cubed B squared, divide by 3A cubed B squared. Okay, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then A raised to 4 divided by A cubed is A na lang kasi 4 minus 3 is 1. So A na lang yan. B cubed divided by B squared or 3 minus 2 here sa exponent is 1. So B na lang yan. Automatic na kasi may 1 yan. No need to write. Plus 9 divided by 3 is 3. A cubed divided by A cubed. No? 3 minus 3 is 0. So A raised to 0 is 1. Automatic. No need to write na yung 1. B squared plus, B squared divided by B squared is 0 ulit. No? Yung exponent. Or simply cancel this out kasi parehas naman. Therefore, the other factor is 2AB plus 3. And the factored form is 3A cubed B squared times itong natira, 2AB plus 3. So, ito yung magiging factor niya. Okay? Next, 15A raised to 5B raised to 4 minus 20A raised to 4B cubed plus 10A cubed B squared. Okay, so mahaba to, no? Isa-isahin pa rin natin kahit mahaba. 15A raised to 5B squared, B raised to 4. Factors of 15. Prime factors of 15, we have 3 times 5. For A raised to 5, we have A times A times A times A times A. 5A. Sa B, 4 naman. Yan, 4. 4B. The next, for 20, 20A raised to 4B cubed. No? Factors or prime factors of 20, we have 2 times 2 times 5. Then, 4 na A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tatlo namang B. 1, 2, 3. Next, for 10, A cubed B squared. No? Prime factors of 10, we have 2 times 5. Then, we have A cubed here. So, tatlong A. 1, 2, 3. For B squared, dalawa. 1, 2. Then, bring down the common factors here. Anong common? Tingin mo tayo sa mga numbers. Sa taas, may 3. Dito, wala. So, tanggalan, wag natin sa amin 3. How about 5? May 5 dito, may 5 dito, may 5 dito. So, bring down natin yung 5. Dapat common sa kanilang tatlo. Hindi pwedeng common lang kay 20 tsaka kay 10. Dapat sa kanilang tatlo. Sunod, A, ito, isang A, ito, another A, ito, 1, 2, 3. Yan, tatlo sila. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Then, for B, no? We have B here, another B ulit, kasi may B pa dito. So, dalawa lang. The rest, di nakasama kasi yung 10A cubed B squared hanggang dalawang bilang. Then, multiply 5 times A times A times A times B times B. That is equal to 5A cubed B squared. Okay, so ito yung magiging common monomial factor nila. Then, divide the GCF to each term to get the other factor. Divide natin isa-isa. 15A raised to 5B raised to 4 over by 5A cubed B squared minus 20A raised to 4B cubed over by 5A cubed B squared plus 10A cubed B squared divided by 5A cubed B squared. Okay? Now, divide natin 15 divided by 3. That is 3. A raised to 5 divided by A cubed. Okay, 5 minus 3. So, magiging to yan. Copy yung A. Okay. B raised to 4 divided by B squared. Again, 4 minus 2. That is 2. Then, copy yung B. Next, okay, minus. Okay, 20 divided by 5 is 4. A raised to 4 divided by A cubed. No, 4 minus 3 is 1. O, copy mo lang yung A. No need to write yung 1. B cubed divided by B squared. Okay. 3 minus 2, that is 1 also. No need to write yung 1. Just copy the B, the letter B. Then, 10 divided by 5, that is 2. No? A cubed divided by A cubed is 1. No? Cancel out yan. B squared divided by B squared is 1. So, therefore, the other factor is 3A squared B squared minus 4AB plus 2. What is the factored form? No? Ito na. 5a cubed b squared, multiply mo yun dito sa other factor which is 3a squared b squared minus 4ab plus 2. Okay? So that's it, no? Exercise tayo, no? Factor the following. No, for 2x cubed plus 3x raised to 5, ano yung common dyan? We have x cubed, no? So magiging x cubed, then the other factor is 2 plus 3x squared. Okay? Next, 15a raised to 6 b c raised to 5 minus 6a raised to 8b cubed c squared, no? So binibigay ko dito yung answer, no? Yeah, kayo naman yung gagawa ng solution dito sa exercise na to. Then the factor is 3a raised to 6bc squared, which is the common monomial factor, common niya sa kanilang dalawa. Then divide mo to sa each of these terms, no? And then the quotient is will become this one, no? 5c cubed minus 2a squared b squared. Next, number 3, medyo mahaba, no? 12x cubed y raised to 4 minus 24xy cubed plus 16x raised to 4y raised to 9. Okay? So, ang common is 4xy cubed. So, pag in-undergo natin yung process na diniscuss ko doon sa mga examples, ito yung lalabas na common monomial factor. Then, divide this one to each of these terms. Ito na may lalabas. We have 3x squared y minus 6 plus 4x cubed y raised to 6. Okay? So, that's it. No? Okay, thank you for listening. Again, do not forget to answer the exercises below. No? And okay, that's all. Goodbye and God bless everyone.